Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer server files with DigitalOcean easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your DigitalOcean account. Navigate to the Droplets section from the dashboard. Select the droplet containing the files you want to transfer. Ensure that you have SSH access to your droplet. Open a terminal window on your local machine. Use the SCP command to transfer files securely. Type SCP followed by the path to your local files. Next, include your username and the droplet's IP address. Specify the path on the droplet where you want to transfer the files. For example, use the format scp/local/path username at droplet_IP/remote/path. If you have a specific port for SSH, include it using the P option. Press Enter to execute the command. You may be prompted to enter your password for the droplet. Once entered, the file transfer will begin. Monitor the progress in the terminal window. After completion, verify the files on your droplet. Repeat the process for any additional files or directories. For transferring entire directories, use the R option with SCP. Just like before, format the command to include the directory paths. Enjoy hassle-free file transfers with DigitalOcean. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.